epidemic. Report may be called and kindly the matter may be fixed.
Item number 4.
2
Item number 2.
from daily needs.
So you have filed
Additional
additional.
epidemic. Matter may be fixed if possible at 2.
2, no. I'm not going to
After
say that.
some time. After some time then.
Not tomorrow because I have to go to the additional epidemic, whatever they have filed. No copy this.
Today at 2 may not be possible.
We
Today
have
at
soft
2,
copy.
I'm not sitting actually second half. I have some urgent work. Actually, I'm going.
After some time.
After some time, it's
After report.
if it comes.
Yes.
Okay, then we'll keep it.
Highly of.
Item number 1.
My lord, one mention kindly, my lord. For some correction, my lord, order, my lord. I could have correction. I long back, my lord. At least on, my lord. That's your Friday, my lord.
Thursday. Your item number 1.
1.
I think health has to submit the medical report. And the petitioner was examined by the doctors.
What is per last order?
Yes, sir.
As per last note.
Well, you say when I had a good serious with the application.
One I mean, one report was called for
Yes, sir.
from the health department. Mr. T. Pawan.
Yes.
He is coming.
I
Do you
think
have
the-
any idea regarding the report, whether you're going to file the report? No. Or is there? Yes, what about the report? And last order, as per the last order.
Lordship, I've just received the instruction that they have directly sent it to the registry, Lordship. I have received a soft copy, the GMCH authorities at GMCH. I have received a soft copy, Lordship, just now. I need some time to take the printout.
Uday देता है दीदी
What's the price?
We can take
Otherwise, the hard copy is directly sent to registry.
Yes, Lordship. Though I have informed that it should have been handed over to me in a seal cover, Lordship.
I think he can read the report, Lordship.
Yes, Lordship, I'll read the report. Mr. Rajiv Hussain Thakuria, 52 years old, was advised to attend a medical board in terms of the direction passed by order dated so-and-so and order dated so-and-so in criminal petition number 612-2018 and by memo number so-and-so of the principal cum chief superintendent of GMCH. A medical board was constituted for examination of the patient. The sitting of the medical board was arranged on 15/10/2025, but the patient did not attend the board, which was informed by memo number so-and-so of the principal and superintendent GMCH. As per request of Devajit Upamaina, Advocate, Guwahati High Court, by memo number so-and-so dated 30/10/2025, the medical board was reconstituted on 19/11/2025 to examine the patient. The patient was examined by the medical board constituted by the principal cum chief superintendent on 19/11/2025. Mr. Rajiv Hussain Thakuria was escorted by Morigaon police and a close relative came with him. The relative informed the board that the patient keeps on roaming the streets of Morigaon aimlessly. He visits temple and masjids very often and he does not interact much with people, and also added that the petitioner only interacts with him and his biological mother. The patient mentions that in the year 2005, 6 he could not remember clearly. He wrote a letter to M.S. Swaminathan, father of Green Revolution, for the development of Northeast. He said that the letter reached APJ Abdul Kalam and Pranab Mukherjee. The patient used to work as deputy manager in State Bank of India, Teju, Arunachal Pradesh in the year 2011. Since then, he started hearing voices of people working in RAW, IB, CBI, CIA, British Secret Service talking with him. He was crying initially while describing his story. He described an incident where an official from the SSB came to open account and that the official person informed him that some senior officials were watching him via CCTV camera attached in the bank. Later, he was transferred to CBI Guwahati Panbajar branch. He used to stay with his family, wife and daughter in a house at Machkua, which he got on lease from the bank. He added that in Guwahati, whenever he would go anywhere, he would see people talking about his family and he would get an indication that those people are observing him very keenly. He also added that a lot of people keep on talking with him, including Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, to name a few. They would discuss political topics with him. He says that all these people talk with him through satellite. Those people who speak with him, they also observe his activities through satellite. He added that these people sometimes even speak on whatever he is talking about. He also said that these people would sometimes talk among themselves about him. There were many people, male and female voices, that would talk in Assamese or in English language. He said that when he hears these voices, he feels a type of frequency on his body, which is being sent by those people via satellite. Sometimes those people make him laugh with some jokes. He would sometimes scold them as well. The patient mentioned that he had to leave his job in the year 2014 because of this constant disturbing voices and experiences which are continuing till now. He says that even on the morning of the board meeting, that is 19/11/2025, Narendra Modi and Sonia Gandhi talked to him. On being asked why such personalities would talk with him, he replied that Holkar, the king of Indore, keeps on checking certain traits of people through computer, and he was directed and detected to be having those traits, and that is why he is made able to talk with them. He added that Holkar wanted to create a cluster of villages consisting of people with this, which is called global.
So it means that
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is some people
Illusion-
talking with him and then he's in hallucination.
Yes,
And now what is the report last?
yes, Lordship.
Opinion.
Yes, the opinion, Lordship. The CNS examination revealed no significant abnormality on mental status examination. He was constant, alert, cooperative, but his build was mesomorphic, grooming appropriate, personal hygiene maintained.
Otherwise, he was cooperating and there is no such mental.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Based on the history and mental status examination, the patient is diagnosed to be a case of paranoid schizophrenia, chronic and continuous. He is in the status of unsound mind due to the nature of his mental illness. So unsound mind, Lordship. Hospitalization is advised, Lordship, in psychiatric department.
He lost his job also in 2014.
So why this criminal petition is for quashing or what?
Oh shit.
So after his advice for admission in a hospital or any psychiatric department, what the family members did they do?
Lordship, that
mention?
information is not with me, Lordship. We were just asked to constitute a board and examine him. Lordship.
Actually,
By-
there was an order for paying the maintenance, 30,000. So we came before the court by law that he's unsound mind, he lost his job, nothing is there. And
He lost his job, but the question is whether he is receiving any kind of
no, nothing,
this pensionary
Nothing,
benefits and
nothing.
all.
nothing. He's living with his mother, who is 90 years old. So she is maintaining, of course, of the old age. Let them the petition.
When it was developed, after how many years of their marriage?
That marriage has been solemnized. Marriage was on 24/10/2008. And since 2014, he is mentally unsound. He had a daughter, my lord. Well, he had a daughter. So under these circumstances, maintenance cannot be imposed on him.
The materials were earlier brought before the learned trial court below while passing the order was there?
No, the order was ex parte, my lord.
It was
He
an ex
filed
parte order.
WS, then my lord, he didn't appear.
Yes,
But in WS also, Lordship may see WS filed by him.
otherwise WS was filed by him.
Oh, by.
And when the maintenance case was instituted?
Maintenance case was instituted, my lord, in 2016.
16.
The bank has also given a certificate, my lord. Lordship may see page 21. Same thing, Lordship can see from the WS, which is starts from page 29. I think this W has been prepared by him only. Because the language speaks that no lawyer prepares such type of WS.
Lordship, initially the maintenance was filed by the respondent number 2, the wife of the petitioner. And respondent number 2 is the wife of the petitioner, and her minor daughter has also claimed maintenance money. The petitioner worked in a deputy manager in a bank, and he has a huge business establishment in the heart of the Morigaon district. Although he has lost his job, but he has other source of earning from his marketplaces in the Morigaon district, and which is reflected in the order copy of the Honorable Trial Court. Lordship, during the pendency of the present case, the wife of the petitioner was expired on 17/6/2021.
Wife expired.
Why do expired 17/6/2021, and the daughter is now represented by her grandmother in this case.
Daughter is still a minor? Or
Yes, she is a minor. She is a student of the school of a reputed school in Guwahati, and her grandmother is maintaining her, and during
no,
the
this 30,000 was
for the
allowed for the
15,000 for the wife of the
15,000 each.
yes, Lordship.
The trial
Lord-
court order was
Lordship-
passed
Lordship-
without any documents. It just simply the other side said something and it has been recorded. Lordship may see page 45, fifth line from the bottom, my lord. Page 45. If I have property or the petitioner has property, then let be said, but this is not the case, my lord. On the other hand, may I read, my lord. Fifth line, my lord.
Mm-mm.
On the other hand, the opposite party is working as a deputy manager in the bank. She has stated that the opposite party has also collected rent of rupees 30,000 from his 2 flats and also collected rent from 15 numbers of rented rooms, and total amount income of the opposite party is around 3 lakhs. He also given rent to the Airtel company, corroborating the evidence of PW, that is. So, my lord, this is without any documents.
Then we do one thing. Undoubtedly, you also have heard the report.
Yes, sir,
submitted
the
by the
report
doctor.
is necessary.
So, no, report will get the hard copy. Most probably, if it is from registry, we can get it. Now, the question is that as per report, as he has submitted
Yes,
or he
lots
has read the report, as per the report, it seems that he is a chronic schizophrenic patient. Otherwise, he is, and then he is talking with someone else, even from Prime
Yes,
Minister and all. So it seems that he's mentally he's not sound or fit. But obviously, as per the order of this court, it seems that though he is not in a position to work or he is not in the office and pensionary benefits question of this is also not there. But there are some rented premises and all as per
Yes,
the
ye-
order. I don't know what is it there. Now we do one thing. Wife has already expired.
Yes,
So now the question of 15,000 and the girl need definitely for study and all needs some money.
sometimes
So if
his
something
petitioner is.
can be given to the daughter, it can
Yes,
be talked to, I think.
property
If you
maybe.
have some sources, I mean, if
Uh,
he has some.
So far, we understand matter from the interaction from the family members that nothing is with him. If lordship comes to a conclusion after perusing the records that he has a flat or whatever it is, we have no problem to say that. But he has nothing, because I must say, madam, fairly, that when he became unsound mind, he got brothers, sisters, and what they have abandoned him, and most of the properties had gone with them.
No, no.
So he practically, when a unsound mind can, when if he has no property, where from he will generate income to pay? And mother is saying that let the doctor come to my house. Then that situation will maybe improve. So the doctor, if it goes to her place, there we have no objection. And even if she doesn't like it or if she didn't like it, then she can come back also. We
Lordship-
want that doctor should come.
Lordship, during the pendency of this cases, the petitioner sometimes talk with the daughter of SMS is there. We have annexed that document, and sometimes he has pays rupees 5,000
This mother is paying, not the son.
to the daughter.
Out of matter of love and
Granddaughter.
affection,
Granddaughter.
mother is
They-
paying. Let them file affidavit, my lord, because they want
Yeah.
the record.
Although he is not in his service, but he has his huge property, and that property intact with the.
Huge property in air, my lord.
Committed, then his brothers and sisters or whatever, after his condition, mental condition, most probably there may be a question because
Yes.
sometimes
But there are
he is nothing.
bank.
And they don't have
There
any
is
documents, my lord. Just simply they're saying that they have property. my lord.
Even Lordship, there is a
And nowadays,
benefit.
online
benefit-
property can be checked, my lord, online. Like he has a land, if
There is a
something.
benefit from the service also. There is a question of the benefit from the service, because although he is getting that may be come to the daughter as a maintenance money.
That's why I asked that whether
Yes.
there is any pensionary benefit or any benefits from the
Yeah.
service, though he is not in service.
Yes,
as such.
sir.
He is removed from service, my lord.
Yes, removed from service. After remove, if one is removed from service, then definitely there's a question of whether he is
Yes,
now
we have to. We
paying
have to.
benefits and all.
Yes.
So that is one question. But now I don't know.
He is what below 10 years, my lord. That's why he doesn't get pension also.
In the rank of deputy manager.
We-
Obviously,
He was
not
brilliant,
a-
my lord.
Huh?
His entire career was brilliant. He was an outstanding student, my lord. But
Can you talk to the both of you? I'm saying with the grandmother only.
Yes.
That if he has, I mean, from his side, if there is any income source or anything,
Yes.
if 5 or 6,000 can be given to the daughter, most probably for her study purpose, and now with whom she is staying,
my lord,
The grandmother.
grandmother of this maternal grandmother.
Method.
Acha.
when I see
In Moscow.
the
and
question
she
is that, my lord.
is reading in a reputed school in Guwahati
My lord, the question is that, my
in
lord.
class 8.
legally, mother cannot be forced married legally. If
No,
I'm
mother
correct.
can be forced.
Yes, the father can be, yes, but under this circumstances, with the medical certificate now being there, so I don't think so, my lord. But mother still paying 5,000 as a love, out of love and affection, and she'll continue. Maybe tomorrow we don't know, my lord, what will happen. But so long she is in sound mind, she will go on paying. But that is out of the court.
But there is a question of the other property of that
So
person.
let them
Then
give
you
us
pay
details, my
taxes.
lord.
Suppose if you're from your side, if there is any such property in his name, or is there any income from this side, then in a form of report and or from an additional affidavit, you can submit all this.
Yes, right.
Because at present, as he is submitting, he don't have any source of income or anything, neither from his serviceal benefits or not from there.
Yes.
So if that be the position, that may be a case. I don't know. There's change of circumstances. In fact, at present.
But if we can get any single document, my lord, I will personally, I will see, my lord, that she gets something. Mere saying will not do, my lord, that there is a rental income, earning also.
He may file the certain liabilities as per the Rajni's Sneha Gupta.
How can his unsound mind file this?
Like yes, he has signed this document. Lordship.
No, that is
he
that.
himself appeared before the honorable court.
File
Lordship
his WS.
filed this appeal in the year 2018.
Which one? This one?
He signed this document.
This one, my lord,
Oh,
actually.
he's a file.
Yes,
That-
Yes.
He signed.
I must say, he signed,
He
but
signed.
his family members was cooperating at that point of
No,
time.
no.
So they have
But he
come.
filed this one.
He
Yes,
filed.
yes, this file. But now is that is not the position.
So there may be
Our
question must regarding the whether his honorable court.
lordship can pass any order, my lord. We'll see that any order because of this. After
Because we have to, Lordship, we have to look after the welfare and well-being of the daughter. She is only minor daughter.
of course, we are also,
Yeah.
my lord, want that welfare of the child.
Without any
But
financial
question is
help.
that
Because there is a still relation with the petitioner and her. It is her grandmother also there. So, Lordship, considering
What
her
will
welfare,
be able to furnish any documents in that regard?
we
regarding
have
the
to
affidavit?
verify. Accept.
Let them
Otherwise,
file
I have
documents.
recorded that they have thing. Okay, Mr. J. Rod Irani, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R. Hajarika, the counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. D. Saikyan. D.
Lordship,
Saikyan?
no, DK Bodolai.
Oh,
D-
sorry,
DK Bodolai. Lordship.
DK Bodolai, the learned counsel, appearing to the respond number 2. And Mr. R. Kaushik, the learned petition PP, appearing on behalf of the respond, and Mr. D. Upamanyu, the learned standing counsel. Yes, the health department.
a medical too.
In view of order dated 30/10/2025,
Wow.
the medical report has already been submitted. However, it is submitted by Mr. Upamanyu that he had received the soft copy of the same, and the hard copy is directly sent to the registry of this office. The registry of As per the report, patient was finally examined through the medical board on 19/11/2025, and a detailed report has been given to that effect of in regards to his soundness, in regards to his mental status of the present accused present petition. As per the opinion of the board constituted by the 3 members of the as per the medical board constituted it is stated that he is in status of inverted comma the unsound mind inverted comma close due to nature of his mental illness, and he is a patient of chronic paranoid schizophrenic patient. He was also advised to admit in a psychiatrist. Mr. Roy, Eternal City Council, accordingly submitted that the petitioner was earlier working as a deputy manager in which bank?
SBI.
SBI, but he became mentally unsound since 2014, and thereafter he was removed from the service, full stop. The maintenance case was instituted on 2016, and the order of maintenance was passed by the Court of Learned Trial Court, dated, it was
Trial
not
court by
trial court, the
trial
public
court
court,
31/10,
the
2017.
Principal Judge Family Court number 1, Kamrup M, dated 31/10/2017, whereby the petitioner number 2, the daughter of the present petitioner, as well as his wife, was directed to pay rupees 15,000 each, in total rupees 30,000 per month towards maintenance. However, but the present petitioner is not in a condition to pay the intend to pay the maintenance as awarded by the learned principal of the court at present, and he has no source of income, neither from his service nor from any other source. In next para, in that context, Mr. Bordolo, the learned for the respondent, submitted that during the pendency of this case, wife of the present petitioner expired on 17/6/2021, and presently the minor daughter, who is studying in class 8, is under the custody of her maternal grandmother. He further submitted that considering he further submitted that it is further submitted that the petitioner still has various sources of income, and he has several rented premises, and he is still capable of providing maintenance to his daughter. He further submitted that it is however he submitted that it is a admitted fact that the petitioner is not in his service at present, but he is he has the capacity to provide maintenance to his daughter. He further submitted that till date the petitioner is also providing 5,000 per month to his daughter, and 5,000 per month daughter, who is presently studying in class 8 in a reputed school of Guwahati.
Not regularly. 5,000
5,000 by
not
the
regular-
mother, my
Mother, yes.
Not regularly.
not the petitioner.
Not regular. By mother, or you are saying mother? By-
Grandmother.
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 Tell he to grandmother.
Paternal.
Paternal. He further submitted that while passing the order, the learned principal judge had considered his other source of income, and accordingly passed the order of maintenance. However, it seems that there is no documents filed by the respondent at the time of filing, at the time of passing the order, and in that context, is in that context it is based. It is is submitted by Mr. Roy that the respondent may be asked to file the documentary evidence in regards to his income, if any. Next paragraph. So you just file, but the question is that you can talk also
Yes.
with the
I want mother, her daughter should go to mother father by law. That may change the situation, my lord.
next part. Mr. Roy further submitted that the grandmother of the respondent number 2 is still ready to is still ready to uh, still wants that her granddaughter uh, can stay with her, and she is ready to provide her maintenance as per her capacity. But considering all the circumstances of this case, and let the respondent to submit the documentary evidence, if any, in regards to income of the present petition. In the same time, both the parties may have a uh, can can negotiate the matter so that the minimum maintenance can be provided to the daughter of the petition, who is a student of class 10. Let the matter be after 3 weeks. Will
After vacation,
after
Okay.
vacation.
because he can.
Lordship, one more for prayer reason. The income source of the opposite party, whosoever with that person, they may be file any
How can
document
that is possible?
because it is only daughter is there.
But he can file RTI and he can
So I
announce
have
for
a
the-
old grandmother. My daughter is grandmother is living with the old grandmother. So there is a some difficulty for collection of that document. So collection in the judgment of that page number 47.
I
it
think
is-
somebody has filed custody of the child also, my lord. I don't know. I've been instructed, my lord. Mama ke bole custody application file korse.
No, no, I have no
That is there. Let him take instruction on that.
we have no knowledge. In the page number 47 of that in this petition, there is a exhibit 4. It is clearly shows that there is a Zamamani copy of the opposite part, land of the opposite.
Then you submit it when it is there in his name, or you can submit the report from the rent the who are the I mean the tenants, if there is any income, or at best you can talk with your
Yes, yes,
grandmother,
yes.
grandmother, maternal grandmother, if she is ready to come with him. It's
Yes,
for
yes.
her. It's
So
okay,
grandmother wants that the daughter should be with her, like, so that
because she also has
yes, no one.
with her.
She has no one, my lord.
That's so if that can be possible, then there may be some way out, because we are also court, as a court also, we think that she should get something.
Yes,
because
yes,
it's
yes.
now minor daughter. Her father is and mental condition is that, and she lost her mother also.
In all time earlier process was I am in favor of the girl on because she should get something.
In this,
But
in
with the
this,
circumstances, my lord, it is very difficult matter.
in these long years, my maternal grandmother is looking after that. Yes.
Yes.
And the custody application, he should get instruction over the custody application has been filed or not, my lord, for the daughter. I think Mama,
We have no knowledge.
our Mama has filed custody application.
We have no any knowledge.
Huh?
No.
But the lower
Just a
instruction.
matter after vacation as an interview. Try to get something
Yes.
at least, or try to talk with the
Oh,
both
yes,
the
yes.
grandmothers can also talk
Yes, yes,
if there is any way out, because we are also in the same opinion that she should get something.
yes, yes. Very correct. Obliged.
I got second petition, my lord.
No, last
Yes, he
application is-
said that on that your counsel said that one additional affidavit we have already filed.
Already come, my.
It has already come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only addition to show that, my lord, that one third PW number 3, that is IO, informant. He was examined and his deposition we brought on record, ma'am, by additional affidavit. In your lordship's order, your lordship will find your lordship order is page 38, earlier order. I am only on the detention, my lord, length of detention, my. Page 38. Today is 216 days, ma'am. 7 months. Page 38, your lordship order dated 2/08/25. ৰাখিবা নেকি ৰাখিবা নেকি ভগৱানটো চলি আছে যে অলপ
I guess. Where is the additional equipment for the attendance?
Two witness already we have annexed mine. And that was your lawsuit order is dated 80 August 20. And last exam was 17/11/25. TW3. That is by additional affidavit. He is the informant.
Yes, anything submitted.
পইচা
কপি এফিডেভিট এখন মোৰ তাত নাই কিন্তু এই
কপিটো
position টা আছে
আছে
Affidavit of-
3 to 1 3.
but here my lord land from detention my lord my submission my lord that is not too great that iteration my lord because the trial is going on in a proper pace it seems otherwise my lord that land from detention ground was earlier also taken Lordship may
No,
kindly-
no, earlier that was long back after 4-5 months I
Oh.
were coming back.
It was on 28th. The order was passed.
Yes, that is
My
the
lord,
one.
kindly peruse page 39, para 4.
Yes.
Last line. Right? That was also the submission that time also.
That order was passed on which
On August, my lord, 20
August.
August.
4 months back, my lord. My lord, by your lordship, kindly see what
Now,
is
PW3 is, yeah, as we have submitted, PW3 is the IO.
IO.
One is PW1 and 2.
1 and 2 are there nothing. They have nothing. Already we have annexed mine in the main petition. Nothing is that they don't know anything. PW1 is your lordship on page 32. No, page 32 now.
34.
Page 30.
34.
Yes, I'm sorry. No, page 34. I don't know the informant of the case. I know the accused standing in the dock. Incident occurred about 5 months ago. Police seized one mobile and I signed seizure list. I gave my signature on the police station. I was not shown the mobile censored by the police. I was not told as to why my signature was obtained. I don't know anything about the incident. Then PW2. Almost same line, my.
I only
My only question, my lord, yes, it is an offense, my lord. Nothing happened. He simply shared, my lord. And it is not that, my lord, anything happened, whether any enmity, any promotion of enmity between the two communities. Nothing happened, my lord. Yes, simple, my lord. He grocery shop holder, my lord. He is not a big person, also, my lord. And the lordship knows the other day also the division bench has quashed all these cases about the Pahalgam, my lord. Other day. One MLA was, he also made some
Seems
comment.
that Kaushik PW3
Right.
it was the informant
Yeah.
who received,
Right.
allegedly received
Right.
this post.
Right.
He has already been, he already.
examined. My only submission is there, my lord, because that last order also, your lordship has passed the order after going to the TCR. It was not that, my lord, sir, that was before filing the charge sheet.
Obviously.
That time also, my lord, senior counsel also took the plea of length of
That is
detention.
the one.
This is also repetition of the same bail application, and my lord, there is no otherwise no new ground. And that length of detention period, the process has already dealt with in the earlier order. That is only my submission. Otherwise, IO has been accepted.
But PW3 already examined, that is a new ground also, my. I did your lordship, and nothing happened, madam. My lord, shopkeeper, only business that grocery shopkeeper, village man. And nothing happened, madam. Informant of the examined, my.
Grocery shopkeeper only,
Yes, my lord. Then
hard Mr. H.I. in the net senior assisted by Mr. Huh? H.
A Islam.
A Islam. A Islam. Council for Representative Council Party. Adam the learned additional appearing on behalf of state responsibility. And copy of the TCR has already been received. And one additional affidavit has also been filed by the learned counsel for the petition.
Yep.
Next, right, submitted by Mr. Chaudhary. Mr. Chaudhary that the present petition he has not come as evidently. However, it is a one message was simply shared by him with no further intention to for any other intention, and he did not make any comment also to the alleged post. Mr. Chaudhary further submitted the presently the accused is in custody. How many days custody?
Yeah, 267, 7 months, about 7 months.
More than
7 months, 2 days.
7 months in the custody, and the IO of this case, that is the PW3, has already been examined on
Petition
7/11. So considering all these aspects of the case, he may be released on bail, and the petitioner will appear regularly before the learned trial court below, as and when date is fixed by the court. Next para, Mr. Kaushik, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that he, while rejecting the earlier bail application, also same ground of bank of retention was taken by the petitioner, and which was accordingly rejected by this new ground has been taken by the petitioner to consider his subsequent bail application at this stage. However, he submitted that PW3, the informant, with IO has already been examined by the learned trial court. Next slide.
And I objecting to this bail.
Accordingly, he objected to the bail petition and submitted that the bail therefore the present petitioner may not be considered at this time. Rehearing the submission, meanwhile, and have also read case record and the evidences so far recorded by the learned trial. It is seen that PW3, the informant of the IO of this case, is already examined by the execution 17/11 and 25, and the petitioner is in custody for more than 7 months. Considering the only effect of the examination of the informant of this case, I find that further custodial detention may not be required for the interest of the trial of the case. In view of this, the present petitioner is thereby to whose satisfaction this one?
Additional session judge Belashikar,
Additional session judge will. Okay,
obliged.
you granted.
May I please allow? I'm in item number 5, but so far item number 3 is concerned, the appellant he has expired. So a report was called for. I don't know whether it has come or not.
Who expect?
Item number 3, appellant, he is
Item number 3.
Rajendra Maharaj.
Item number 3 today.
I am in item number 5.
You are in item number.
Lordship, the report has not yet been found by the CBI. Actually, Justice Nair has asked to and see if he is a government servant or not, but we could find that he is not a government servant, he is an agent. So the death report is yet to be acquired.
Death report has not come. Earlier the court thought that he was a public servant, but he is not a public servant, that he is submitting.
where, in which order you are asked to?
Last order, last order.
Last.
Last.
No, that is to presently alive or not. But the fact that whether he is a government servant or not, that was also asked to you.
That
To
the court
report.
has passed, but
Yep.
now they are submitting that he is not a government servant. That the court has earlier passed on the last occasion, that through office you should serve it, whether he is alive or not. So now they are
Do you
submitting.
have any information or?
I don't have any. In fact, my client also, I don't have any contact with Rajakanta Police. So others. And one
Regarding
person has
this,
already.
do you have any report now?
No, Your Lordship.
No report.
Whether he is a government servant or not, that will come later on. But whether the appellant is presently alive or not, that is mostly.
That is
required.
there. The council has already submitted.
Where council was submitted, whether there was any supporting document like the death certificate or not, was there?
That I am not aware. Lordship can go to the file. The treatment certificate, initial negative certificate.
Right.
Most probably it was not submitted.
He was
Verbally, they have submitted that he has expired. No?
Date is also not.
That already struck off. Another appellant was there. His name was struck off because report had come. So four appellants were there. Now three appeals are
He
there.
died on 17th of
17?
No, the other person.
The other person.
Oh, other-
I said
other
he died
person.
in 2020.
The
that
appellant, item number 3, you don't have any such
No.
information.
No.
So appellant, you are appearing on 5 only.
Fine. And he is
And
appearing for
three-
four.
three-
Four.
You are
Four
Appearing for
who is for 3 now?
Anna Ahmed is there today. He has not come.
Item number 3 to look. গোটেইটা লিখিবা একেলগে না But Mr. PK, your Mr.
Di Talukdar. Item 5.
Mr. Talukdar, the Learned Council appearing for the criminal appearing in the criminal appeal number 69 of 15. Mr. T. Board, the Learned appearing for the appearing in the criminal appeal number 18 of 2013. But has represented the respondent appellant in criminal appeal number 11 of 2013. However, from the order passed by this court, it is seen that on 24/9/2025, it was reported by the counsel for the appellant that the appellant expired during the pendency of the present appeal. And to that fact that the report was called for from the respondent, but today the Learned Council, yes, your good name?
And Chaudhary.
And Chaudhary, you also retaining counsel for
No,
CBI?
no, Your Lordship.
Appearing-
I am appearing on her behalf. On behalf
appearing on
Retainer
behalf of
Counsel.
MS M. Kumari, the Learned Retainer Counsel CBI. That means that they could not collect the date report of the appellant in criminal appeal number 11 of 2013. However, she submitted that on inquiry, it has come to the knowledge that the appellant was not a government servant. He was merely an agent. So now, will you be able to furnish the report? You have to furnish.
Yes, Your Lordship.
From the concerned police station, then.
Yes.
Yes.
In the office, the Learned Counsel for the respondent is hereby directed to produce a report in regards to the status of the appellant, whether he is alive or not, through the jurisdictional police station. Is the matter after 3 weeks will do or 2?
After vacation?
After vacation, as any date you fix by the registry.
Okay.
Oh dear, she is not here.
She's on, actually, CBI counsel, she's on legs in court number 22.
So the matter may kindly be adjourned. Also, my counsel from outside is supposed to come, my lord. After we.
When you are there, why outside?
No,
counsel?
my lord, actually the client has engaged it, my lord. I'm obliged that way. They filed a wakarnama on the last date also.
So now you have standing counsel CBI. Where is she? You have
She is
standing
in
It's on
counsel.
the court.
She's present, she's in legs on court number 22.
So you are ready for the argument?
Yes, your lordship.
You are ready. You have
Yes, my
praying
lord.
for an adjournment.
Well, she cannot argue, of course, because she is
Lordship,
not.
No, she cannot
lordship,
argue.
senior will argue.
But
Pray, my
Mr. Jetkamal, the learned senior counsel, assisted by P. Dev Chaudhary. And it is submitted that Mr. that the engaged counsel is outstation or is coming from outstation.
Okay.
And is presently today he is not available in court. We must set it accordingly. Wait for an adjournment. Standing counsel CBI is also represented by Ahmed
And Chaudhary.
and Chaudhary. Full stop. In view of this, let the matter be listed. How many you do you need
My
a
lord,
fixed
let it be
date?
after vacation so that that BU after BU, madam.
No, you need a fixed date here.
A fixed date will be better, my lord, or any date after BU, my lord.
You will set up a fixed date. 20.
Just, my lord, I'll check it, my lord. My lord, let it be on 19, my lord, kindly.
19.
19.
19.
Much obliged, my lord.
Because he is coming from outside. That's
Oh,
why we are fixing a
Madras,
date.
yes, my lord, Chennai, my lord. Today, Chennai is actually having some problem, meteorological. There's some floods in Sri Lanka.
Mm.
So that rainwater is coming to Chennai, they are saying. So many flights are cancelled.
Flights are cancelled.
That's the problem. As I was told, my lord.
19-1 we are fixing.
Oh, yes, sure, my lord. Much obliged, my lord.
May I
Yes.
please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this is a small issue, my lord. Against the 1000 maintenance order interim, the husband came here. What happened, my lord? The case is filed in 2013. Since the filing, they are not in touch with. No connection. The one number, mobile number is not working. Is changed to another person. Kindly see the order of dated, my lord, 10/9/25.
Ten nine.
Yes, my lord, 10/9/25. On the other hand, my lord,
Directed, in fact.
my report has come, my lord.
Report has also
Has come.
Okay.
What's your directed report?
So now against that order of maintenance you have come.
Yes. My
You
lord,
are- you are
my lord, kindly turn to page 3, my lord, of my petition.
Page
3 of my petition, my lord. There are, I have board letter, my lord, it is mentioned there are 4 cases are pending, my lord. Title suit pending that I was minor, so marriage, so-called marriage in marriage was just an agreement of notary agreement, my lord. Both are perhaps minor. And 498A also pending, my lord. JJB also, my lord. These then pending. I don't know the latest status. JJB, my lord, kindly see, I think the bold letters, my lord. And 175C, another case, my lord. Rongi SDGM below, my lord. Paragraph 5, my lord. So all these cases, what happened to the case, I do not know. JJB, if JJB is declared, it will go another way. If title suite 6 for declaring him minor is there, if it is allowed, it will go another way. So I do not know the exact position. So OC was asked to give the status of the relation and all these things. So the report may kindly, my lord,
So
maybe
you are for the husband.
I'm for the husband. And since they're not in touch, since then, they are not in touch with, not the,
But
the
the
mobile.
report says that up there, she was receiving rupees 5,000 per month. I don't know whether report is how far correct or not.
I don't know.
So 5,000 per month, but since last 3 years, she is not receiving. That is the report of the
OC, my lord.
OC.
OC.
But
We came against 1,000. Now it is being 5,000.
5,000.
Already paid and received. I don't know, my lord, what to do actually.
You do one thing. Have you filed any a notice to your client?
No, my
If
lord,
you want to suppose
my
someone
lord,
you
not
want
sent any notice. Because police went them, and police has some mentioning his status kindly, my lord. On other day, my lord, the
whose status?
husband status. Who is he is in touch or not, my lord. Something was there on the other day, my lord. And friend was other side was saying, my lord, submitting things like this, my lord. That he was also his status where he is, you know what. If it is there, my lord,
It is only matter was that is not aware of the status of the relationship. So your submission was recorded, and
no, my lord, OC report, my.
as per the
Is
OC
there
report
anything OC
is
report regarding the husband, my?
no report is there.
Oh my.
It is only stated that she was receiving 5,000.
And they are not receiving.
Now since 3 years, last 3 years, she is not receiving. Now in that case, you do one thing. If that be the position, why keeping this pending?
Yes.
But before the any closure of this thing, you have to issue a notice to your client
To the said place.
to the said address,
Said address.
if it is there,
Yes.
that his status or whatever you can intimate, and if see some reports come,
Yes.
then definitely we may close the
If
proceeding.
reply comes, my lord, I can
Yes,
place
yes,
it before.
you can place it.
Yes.
Now why it is pending? Because you are saying that since when you are not in touch with
Since
your
after
petition-
filing,
Huh?
just after filing the case and
Just
motion.
after filing of
After
the case.
motion, no, everything.
Oh, acha.
Since the last 12 years, your lordship can say so.
Oh, you have no touch with.
Not touch, not the number is not also working long back, not working. It is given to another person, other district.
Mr. A.K. Talukdar, Ilan from. So state is for respondent number
No, one, my lord.
or one.
We are only formal copy.
Yeah, your formal part.
Formal.
State also had Mr. Harar Kochaki learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent number 1. Then appears on call for the respondent number. In view of order dated 10/9/2025, a report has been submitted by the OC of the Kamalpur police station, wherein he was asked to apprise the court as to whether any maintenance amount was receiving by the respondent number 2 or respondent number 2 as directed to be paid by or court's order dated 16/8/2013. As per report, it is stated that the respondent number 2 was receiving the maintenance amount of 5,000 per month. But since last 3 years, she is not receiving any maintenance from her husband of the petition. Next part, Mr. Talukdar, the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted in this regard that
My lord, cases maybe, my lord, mentioned, my lord. These cases pending numbers given, my lord. It will help your lordship. Next step. Page 3, my lord.
receiving, and further it is reported that several cases have been pending against the present petitioner. And
Between the parties, my lord. Between
the parties, and it reveals from the report of office report you are saying,
My lord,
Yes, some
police
case
report,
numbers
my lord.
were
It is
mentioned.
police report, my lord.
Police report was. And from the office note also, it reveals that that there are no, where from you are saying several cases.
My lord, page 3 of my petition, my lord.
Page 3.
Paragraph 3 and 4, 5, my lord. In bold, my lord, in bold letters, my lord, kindly. For
Oh,
easy.
acha, acha. हाँ, नहीं है. In between the parties,
Including, my lord, this, my lord.
including the present pending between the parties.
TS 6, my lord,
like
498A.
TS 06 of 2010,
GR 1310, my lord.
GR 1310 of 2009 under section 498A IPC,
JJB, my lord.
and another case is pending for the JJB Court of JJB, which is
19211, my lord.
numbered as 192 of 2011.
Then, my lord, below, my lord, miss case 175C 2010, my lord.
Apart from that, another miss case is also pending
Domestic violence.
under domestic violence, which is numbered as 175C of 10. Further, it is submitted by Mr. Talukdar that since after filing of the present case, the petitioner is not in touch with the not with the council, and if, in spite of several reports made by Mr. Talukdar, he could not make any contact with the petition. Even full stop, even his mobile phone is also not working. In that context, Mr. Talukdar is hereby asked to issue notice to the present petitioner and to submit the report accordingly before this court the next investigation. List matter accordingly after vacation.
Hello, February. Hello, vacation. Right.
After vacation, as an date fixed by the
Very
registry, preferably in the month of February, preferably in the month of in the first week of February 2000. Okay, we'll list.
obliged.
These are Lordship Conducting Council electing in port number 25. Lordship.
Who is he?
A.M. Borbuya.
Huh?
A.M. Borbuya.
A.M. Borbuya.
Otherwise, Lordship report was called for from concerned police station.
For the victim also, someone is appearing, na? Mr. Kaushik.
My lord,
For victim.
victim also someone is appearing.
My lord,
Yes, three councils are there for the victim.
my lord, the matter is, my lord, during the pendency of this petition, my lord, matter is compromised, my lord.
Compromise already.
Compromised, my lord. And to this effect, my lord, one affidavit is also submitted by the victim, my lord.
But what kind of case it was?
My lord, it is a, my lord, under 326, my lord, 1 year.
Is it compoundable?
My lord,
It is not compoundable, but Honorable Supreme Court and my lord, High Courts passed various judgment, my lord, in view of my lord.
Now see, before these sessions or before the magistrate also, it has already been compromised.
No, my lord, no. Before this court, my lord.
Before this court.
Court, my lord.
So we cannot pass any order on compromise.
No, my lord. It is, my lord, law is as such, my lord. The Honorable Supreme Court and our High Court passed various judgment, my lord. Conviction is, my lord, upheld, my lord. Only sentence part is, my lord, relaxed, my lord, in view of compromise.
that I have seen. And in any case, my lord, in Lakshmi Narayan Supreme Court judgment, my lord, there some categories were given.
Yes.
My lord. So one, perhaps your lordship knows, my lord, one thing was there, my lord. One of the category, my lord. While exercising the power under section 482 of the code was the criminal proceeding in respect of non-compoundable offences which are private in nature and do not have serious impact on society on the ground that there is a settlement compromise between the victim and the offender, the High Court is required to consider antecedent of the accused, the conduct of the accused, namely whether the accused was absconding and why he was absconding and how he had managed to managed with the complainant to enter into a compromise. So, if I am not wrong, but this is a offense falls under this category, so private in nature. So, it seems the High Court can, but the thing is that is in respect of quashing. Here it is
Yes,
in
that's what
respect-
I'm saying.
Yes,
That is respect of quashing, and
Quashing.
this is for
appeal, revision.
revision.
And my lord, another aspect is that, my lord, your in this case, my lord, apparently, my lord, the ingredients of, my lord, 326 is missing, my lord. It is, my lord, a small, my lord,
No,
ingredient.
then in that case, we have to hear you. Now, question is that quashing is definitely, if there is a private
Not
in
washing
nature,
is there, my lord.
private in nature, there is no impact in society as
Yes.
he is having. Lakshmi Narayan also there is a
Yes,
view,
sir.
and in other cases also
Yes, sir,
there are
yes,
some views.
Yeah, my lord.
In that case, quashing may be,
Washing maybe.
maybe. But your case is, it is already convicted case.
Convicted, my lord. Here, my lord,
Now, what do you want to submit here?
my lord, here, my lord, I have found some judgment, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court and our High Court also, my lord. Considering, my lord, this, my lord, compromise, my lord. Conviction upheld, my lord, sentence, my lord, relaxed. That kind of judgments are there. And that apart, my lord,
Please representative respond number 2, victim. Is absent.
victim is yes, lord. And another aspect is that, my lord, when, my lord, this matter, your lordship, after consideration, if finds, my lord, this matter do not come under the category of 326, my lord, 323 or 324, then it is otherwise, my lord, compoundable, my lord. And apparently, my lord,
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
In that case,
hearing is
there has to be
necessary.
Hearing.
Hearing is necessary.
Hearing is necessary. Now, question is that there may be compromise. I won't disagree with you.
Yes.
But it is a case of not for quashing, but a conviction. After conviction, you have
Conviction. After appeal, my
so
lord.
their hearing is required. And now, who is appealing for the victim?
SR Mazhar Bhuiyan, A Begum, I don't know what they.
Yes, they are here.
But otherwise also, if your lordship give an conclusion, because even if it is compromise also, that case also the other side has to be
My lord,
Yes.
present.
my lord, I beg to submit, my lord, few judgments in this regard.
At this stage, I think because again,
have compiled one.
same. Have to you do the same process because we are not going to hear the matter at present today.
Oh, yes.
Let the victim become and we full hearing is required in that case.
My lord.
Not a case that yes, in the long run, if it comes that it is not a case of 326.
My lord.
Even if, as you have submitted, it may be a case of 326, but in view of compromise, it can be
My
listed or whatever. In that case, that
Well,
will be
what my learned friend is saying, that is true. I have seen it.
Mm.
But for that also,
Mm.
their presence is required.
their presence is required. Their
Required.
presence.
I mean, lordship can
So we are not
My
disagreeing
lord.
with you, but in that case also it is required. Let the matter be accordingly listed. Now he is outside, I think. He is not inside.
No, outside, my lord. Only 1 year. Immediately you are
Oh,
granted bail, my lord.
You are appealing for the victim. We have to hear the matter. Are you ready for hearing?
Another date, my lord, maybe.
another day.
Request. It's to be listed. In the month of December, you want?
My lord.
After 2 weeks, it's month of December. Or Koshik is overburdened.
My lord. Anyway, after vacation, it will be better.
After vacation.
Since he is outside.
After vacation, as an date.
Then, my
Now,
lord,
just I
after.
want to ask you one thing. We'll hear the matter, but the question is that he is saying that there is a talk between you, compromise talk.
No, we have submitted, my lord, memorandum on affidavit submitted.
Already submitted.
Affidavit.
That means compromise is there. Okay, no issue. Okay, then when listing it, we'll
After this, my lord.
after vacation, as an date, by the way.
My
Let
lord.
us see when it comes.
Diploma.
Okay.